Loud and clear.
Okay, all 3 head, analog, 12345, 55 miles an hour. And hands-free microphone, 55 miles an hour, 12345, 54321, 55 miles an hour analog.
Loud and clear.
Okay, and switch to P25. And P25 test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 3 mic.
Loud and clear.
And P25 test, hands-free, 55 miles an hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, how copy?
Loud and clear.
Okay, still on hands-free, let's see if we can take it up to about 65 and 70 miles an hour right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, how copy?
Loud and clear.
Okay, very good. Let me just try to speed it up a little bit.
That's what I was trying to do.
Bring it to 80. Okay, 75 miles an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How copy?
Loud and clear.
And for comparison, all 3 heads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How copy?
Loud and clear.
Okay, keep on filming. I'm going to roll down the windows here a little bit, and let's see how the wind noise is doing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 325. How copy?
3-8.
Roger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How copy?
3-8. 3-7.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Windows rolled up, 75 miles an hour. How copy?
Loud and clear.
Okay, very good. And just for comparison, we're going to roll down the windows and do an O3 head test. Windows roll down. This is the Motorola O3 head. How copy?
Loud and clean.
And this is the hands-free mic. How copy?
About 4-7, 4-8.
Okay, end of test.